Hey guys and gals, who's ready for another video? I am. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, hey. Let's get it, Alright guys and gals, let's get right into this video. So, I know the title's a little weird. Yes, this is going to be an AliExpress reboot. So what I mean by AliExpress reboot is I had some outfits back in the day that I tried on, new to YouTube, not knowing what to do with myself on here. And so, I put on some outfits and I tried them on and I did a sachet. So, I walked around in them and I showcased them, but I didn't talk about them. So we're going to get right back to those, and that's where the reboot comes in. We're going to get back to these outfits and we're going to talk about them right here on YouTube. So this first outfit is a two-piece. I did get this from AliExpress. I absolutely love this two-piece set. Like, honey, you can't tell me nothing in this. Like, yes! Shake it, shake it, shake it. This is definitely a turn-up outfit. I know it's a little bit loud, or maybe it's doing a little bit too much. As far as like the pattern, the color is good. I don't think it's doing too much as far as the color. But the pattern, yes. So if you're loud and boisterous, or you just like showing off, or you want to be the life of the party, this is definitely the outfit for you. This is a two-piece, and it does come all the way down. Let me take you down to my feet so you guys can see that. Excuse my phone if my phone was making a noise in the background. I'm super, super sorry. But yes, honey, look at this. It comes all the way down, and I'm loving that. So you don't have to worry, you wear heels. It's not too long and it's not too short. So I really, really like that. And you can rock out with your girls out. You ain't got to wear no bra for all my ladies who don't want to wear a bra. And you just want to be free. You can be free, baby. So I like that. It does tie around in the back. So it comes crisscross like this. And either you can tie it right here in the front. So I chose to wrap it around and tie it in the back. And I'll show you guys that right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. I just made a little crooked bow back there, so that's what's going on back there. Let me see, can you guys see that? Yeah, so I just made a little crooked bow right here. But you guys can wrap it however you like. If you want, you can tie it on the side or whatever. But I'm loving this outfit. I hope they still have it, because like I said, this was a while ago. This was about probably a year, if not 2 years ago, when I made a video on this, just like I said, showcasing it off. So yes, let's get into this outfit. I'm going to do a little walk for you guys so you can see this in its entirety. So this outfit on AliExpress was like $15. It's a little pricey, but it works. I mean, it's cute. I say you can wear this a couple of times. I do have long arms, so it doesn't come all the way down like I like it. And it is that stretch material that turns white when you stretch it. But as long as you're not too big in certain areas, it shouldn't stretch like by that much. But anyways, the things that I like to do when the sleeves are not as long as I like them is just scrunch them up. And then look. It looks even cuter. Yes. So I'm loving that. Yep. So I mean, you see, it does get a little white in the behind area, but it ain't that white. It's not super, super white like it can be, like I showed you when I stretched it. But yes, I mean, for $15, you've got yourself an outfit, and I'm pretty sure you can wear this over and over again. I like the material. The material, let me come closer so you guys can see. This is actually the lining on the inside that's coming out. Like, I don't know. But like you can see, this side is tucked in. So right here, this lining that's coming out, so at least you've got double lining on the inside that comes across like this. So if you do have a little spillage, it got you covered. It got you. So who doesn't like that? But let's go ahead and get into outfit number 2. This is the next number that I'm wearing. Yes, honey, this number right here came from AliExpress. This is my AliExpress Reboot. I know, right? Like, why wasn't I talking about these outfits? Like, for real, I gotta put you ladies on. So this outfit, I kid you not, was literally $5 to $6. I actually remember because I couldn't even, like, when I saw the price, I was like, no. I said, it must be some crappy, cheap material. Let me tell you, honey, the material on this is bomb.com. You got some double lining going on right here, the stitching. The stitching is absolutely superb. Like, and once again, your girl ain't got no bra on. So it's holding them up. It comes right around the neck, like so. So I can show you guys that. And I'm loving this. Like, it comes around the neck and it's not too loose to where, you know, it's not holding the girls up. But the dress itself holds the girls all together, holds everything in. It's almost like a, I guess like a bodycon, or, you know, one of those skin tight dresses that you just slip and slide on. Like, what? Yo, you cannot tell me anything in this dress. Like, everybody needs a little black dress, honey. Everybody. And for the cheap, I say you go to AliExpress and get you this black dress. Now, mind you, I paid my own money for this stuff, so I'm just putting you guys on to what I got, since I didn't put y'all on back then. I don't know why, but anyways, like I said, $5 to $6, you can't go wrong. Hopefully it's still $5 to $6 on there at, like, right now. You can just type in like a bandage dress, or, you know, one of those pencil dresses. You can type that in and you're gonna find it. The model actually looks just like this, and you'll see the straps, you know, like on. But yes, so let's do a little walk for you. And this, I mean, they ain't going nowhere. They ain't going nowhere. Look at that. Yay! Y'all, when you see this third outfit, don't come for me in the comments, because I'm gonna come for myself on camera just for y'all. Okay, so this next outfit, I don't know what color is showing up on camera, because right now it's looking like it's blue, but it is green. Can you guys see? It looks blue to me. I really don't know what you guys are seeing on camera, but this outfit is green. It's not mint green, but it is green. And it's giving me Statue of Liberty vibes. So I don't know why I chose to get this outfit, but I'm really happy I did, because it is super soft. Like, the inside, let me see if I can show you guys. Look at the inside. It's like cottony. Oh my God. It's super soft. So this is something you would want to wear like in the fall. I know it's a little colorful, but you'd want to wear it in the fall, or I wouldn't even say spring. It depends on what kind of spring you guys have wherever you live, because if it's hot, like today is like 80 degrees. So for me to have this on, like legit, I am sweating ball sacks right now. Like, I am literally sweating. But to have this on, but I just wanted to come on here really quick and show you guys this outfit, because I never even tried this on for you guys, because when I looked at it the second time, like once I got it, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna try this on. This is super cute. I was like, honey, you looking like the Statue of Liberty in there. So I decided to scratch the whole piece together, and I was like worried. And you know, who cares what anybody thinks? You know what I'm saying? You bought this for you. You bought this because this is what you wanted to wear. So you're gonna rock out in it, you feel me? So I really like this outfit. I don't care. I don't care. So I already said I look like the Statue of Liberty first. But yes, this is so cute. Let me do a walk for you guys so you guys can see this. And this outfit Also comes with the inner lining, like I was saying with the other one. So this one has the inner lining as well. So if you have some little slips, it got you. It got you. They ain't going nowhere. So the back, I did the same thing. I just tied a little bow, a little crooked bow or whatever back there. But like I said, you guys can wrap it around in the front if that's how you want to do it. Or if you're really, really skinny in the waist, you can wrap it around twice and look even more cute, more delectable, more sexy and tasty. You feel me? But yes, I'm loving this. This was actually, this was like 16. I want to say it was 16. If you want to shop on AliExpress and get this, you can definitely put in like 2-piece sets. You can put in like mint green, or you can put in green 2-piece sets, or whatever. I guarantee you this outfit is probably still out there. I just thought it was cute. I don't know why. Maybe it was the color. Like I said, guys, you know I'm really colorful. So I am loving this. I am here for the colors. Hopefully you guys are here for the colors too. Before we get into outfit number 3, let me show you the bottom of these, because these are actually really, really long, and I like that. They're not too long, but the other ones were a little bit shorter. Anyways, let me just show you the bottom. So you guys can see. Look at that. Yes. I'm so sorry, guys, I didn't show you guys the bottom. I was like so hyped up about this. Statue of Liberty going on here. I don't know, I must have lost my marbles. But yes, I love it. Perfect for dancing, you know. But like I said, you're gonna be hot in this outfit. So you're definitely gonna be hot in this outfit. Okay, now we're gonna get on to outfit number 3. Okay guys, so this last outfit, which is outfit number 4, by the way. I've been saying 3, like, guys. But yes, this last outfit is fire. When I tell you, I am loving this piece. Hold on. Let me bring this down so y'all can see what I'm talking about. And once again, no bra. So for my ladies that don't want to wear a bra, this dress is definitely gonna hold you in. Definitely gonna hold you in. Like, all these outfits are in an extra large. I'm sorry I didn't mention that earlier, but look at the slit. Giving sexy. Yes, giving sexy. What? Look at this. Okay, so the back is open. I wanted to show you guys that. So it actually it's got like 3 can you guys see that? It's got 3 little buttons right here, and you can attach the little loop to it. So I didn't bother doing that. I just wanted to show you guys the back open like that. So you've got the teardrop backing. Who is not liking this dress? Like, who is here for this dress? Y'all need to comment down below and let me know who's here for this dress. If you're here for this dress, give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, because this dress is popping. I don't know why I didn't want to try this on on one of my AliExpress hauls. I think at the time I was a little bit heavier, and I've been slimming down some, so I said, let me give this a shot and let me see if I can slip into this. Slip in, I wouldn't say is the word, but I fought a little bit to get this on, but I love it. This dress is absolute fire. Yes. Let me give y'all a walk. So those of you who think that this haul was pretty good, let me know. Leave a comment down below. Tell me which one was your favorite outfit. This pretty much concludes this video. Like I said, we're gonna be doing this AliExpress reboot. I might make this a series because I've got tons of clothes, y'all. Tons of clothes. So we're about to get it on and popping. We're gonna do this AliExpress. We're gonna do these hauls. And like I said, whether they're from my closet or not, you haven't seen them yet. So guys and gals, thank you for joining me on this video, and I will see you in my next one. Make sure you subscribe. If you're not subscribed, it's okay. Join the family. I want to see you. You want to see me. You want to see these outfits. I'm pretty sure of it. Let's see these outfits together. Do you guys see the detailing in this? Like, look at this. It's sheer right here. And it gives the illusion like this is like, I don't know, like one of those shirts, the bustier kind of things. Like, I'm really liking this. I'm liking this a lot. Like, yo, fire. There's a fire in the building. Put it it out, put it out. There's a fire in the building, put it out, put it out. Yeah, I'm so crazy. I am loving this. But yes, if you guys want to know about this hair, let me know if y'all wanted a video on this hair, and I will generate a video for you. But yes, I just plopped this on just so you guys can see it. I didn't put any coloring right here in the parting. I literally just left it alone. I cut the lace off and I plopped it on my head. So it is a full lace right here in the front. So it's not the little one right here. It actually comes ear to ear lace. And yeah, I really like this. I'm digging this. I got this from my Amazon wish list. And I wanted to say thank you to whoever got this wig for me from Amazon. Thank you, thank you, thank you. One second, let me see if I can get the details on this wig so y'all know what it is. I'm gonna leave the link down below too. Okay, so this wig is called Dashley. Isn't that cute? Instead of Ashley, it's Dashley. It's a deeper center part. It actually comes with a lot of baby hairs. I can't really show you because I kind of brushed them down in a way like that. But they peek out every so often, and they're just like little swirls. It's the cutest thing. And like I said, it's ear to ear lace. So you guys can just read that right there. So this color that I got is T1B Jade. So, you know, me and my colors had to spice it up, looking a little like Poison Ivy over here. But yes, it comes with this wig care instructions right here. And it also has colors, different colors that they have on here. So you guys can see that. So I thought this was super cool, like really, really cool. So like I said, once again, thank you to whoever got this wig for me. I really appreciate it. Spicing things up, right? See, and this is the packaging it came in. You guys know about wigs. Y'all already know how they come. But yes, thank you for joining me. Once again, I keep saying the same thing because I keep trying to leave y'all, but it's like, I don't want to leave you guys yet. So once again, thank you for joining me on my AliExpress Reboot. And we're about to have a series of this. And yeah, stay tuned for more. Bye.